Bonjour, bonjour Year 6. J'espère que vous allez très bien. Aujourd'hui, le lundi 20 avril 2020, we're going to see how we can plan our summer holidays. So to plan our summer holidays, obviously, we need to use le futur proche. To use le futur proche, we need to know a lot of verbs in the infinitive form. So, les verbes à l'infinitif, like to something. Par exemple, we have aller, which is to go. Regarder, to look or to watch. Visiter, to visit. Manger, to eat. Écouter, to listen. Voyager, to travel. Jouer, to play. Rencontrer, to meet. Changer, to change. Nager, to swim. Some other verbs like écrire, to write. Écrire, to write. Lire, to read. Faire, to do. Prendre, to take. Boire, to drink. Avoir, to have. And être, to be. So remember, every time we need to use the infinitive form. So we use le verbe aller in the present tense. Le verbe aller, which is to go in the present tense, as we have seen before. And then we use the verb in the infinitive form. So I am going to something. So for example here, if you want to use those pictures and tell the story. For here, for example, for the first one, je vais aller. So je vais, this is aller in the present tense. And then we use the infinitive form. Je vais aller à la piscine avec mes amis. I am going to go to the pool with my friends. Now, let's see if we can use those verbs for the next sentences. So, puis, then, nous, then, we, puis, nous allons faire du vélo. Then we are going to do some biking. Nous allons manger au McDo, for example. Après ça, after that, nous allons visiter le musée. We're going to visit le musée. Ça, it will be, être, okay? So it's going to be génial, awesome. Ça va être génial. So remember, is le verbe être, le verbe aller in the present tense. And then what is in blue here are the verbs in the infinitive form. I'm going to go. We are going to do. We're going to eat. We're going to visit. It is going to be. You understand? Okay, alors, another thing. For example, if they ask you, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire l'année prochaine? What you are going to do next year. So next year, obviously, you're not going to be in year 6, but in year 7. So once it's year 7, you're going to be in, it's not going to be primary, but secondary. So je vais changer d'école. I am going to change school. Je vais aller au collège de Lagoon, for example. Je vais aller, I am going to go to the collège de Lagoon. Remember, collège, in French, it's not the college in English. Collège is the secondary. Je vais faire mes devoirs. I am going to do my homeworks. Je vais lire beaucoup de livres. I am going to read a lot of books. Je vais rencontrer de nouveaux amis. I am going to meet new friends. Alright, so remember le verbe aller in the present tense and then the other verbs in the infinitive form. Okay? For your worksheet today, you just need to match to complete those sentences. Okay, so no need to draw any lines, just write here the corresponding letters. And then you are going to plan. Tell me what you're going to do for your summer holiday. So you need to write a paragraph of 6 to 10 sentences using the near future. Okay, using le futur proche. So you will start with en été, in the summer, je, I, and so on. Please try to use the maximum of verbs that you can. Try as well to use like in this example, puis, like then, or après ça, after that. Alright, few things like that. Some temporary expression, and that's it. Alright, hope you stay safe at home. See you next time. Bye bye.